Hello guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a lead generation sales letter page using Wix. Let's dive in. Why create a lead generation sales letter page? A lead generation sales letter page is crucial for capturing potential customers' details such as their name and email, so you can nurture them into buyers. This page will act as your sales pitch, focusing on a single offer to maximize conversions. Whether you're offering a discount, a free trial, or a special promotion, this page is designed to encourage visitors to take immediate action. Begin by going to the Pages and Menu button on the left side of your Wix editor. At the bottom of this panel, you'll see an option that says Add Page. Click this and decide whether you'd like to use a pre-designed landing page template or start fresh with a blank page. If you prefer maximum control, choose the blank page. Once you've made your selection, name your page. This might be something like Special Offer, or perhaps the name of the product you're promoting. After naming your page, click Done. Starting with a blank page gives you total creative freedom, but if you're short on time or want a quick start, consider using one of Wix's pre-designed templates. These templates are built to be conversion-focused and will save you a lot of time. Now, let's make sure visitors stay focused on your sales message. You'll want to minimize distractions by hiding the main website navigation. While you are in the Pages and Menu settings, look for the three-dot icon representing More Actions. Next to your new page, click on it, then select Settings. From there, navigate to the Layouts tab and select the No Header and Footer option. Why remove the navigation? Removing the header and footer navigation helps keep the focus on the call to action without any distractions. This is especially important on lead generation pages where you want your visitors to stay on the page and take the action you want them to, like signing up for a special offer or a free consultation. Next, focus your efforts on crafting effective sales copy, presented in website strips. A new strip can be added for your headline by finding Add Elements, represented by a plus icon on the left sidebar. Choose the strip option, and then add a text element. What you want here is a bold, catchy headline, one that clearly delivers your main promise or benefit. For the following text strips, aim to expand on your core message with subheadings that spotlight key benefits, bullet points that succinctly outline features, compelling visuals such as high-quality photos or video testimonials, and highlighted or bolded key phrases to emphasize critical information. A good sales letter speaks directly to the visitor's needs or pain points. Try to use you in your messaging to make it more personal, as if you are speaking directly to the person reading. Also, make sure your visuals, like images and videos, are of high quality, as these will build trust with your audience. The next step is to put in a lead generation form, the central element for gathering your leads' details. Go back to the Add Elements area and choose Contact and Forms. Pick an existing form, like a contact or subscribe form, or create a new form from scratch. Once it's on your page, ensure that it's prominently placed above the fold, so it's visible instantly. You can now customize the form fields, keeping in mind to only collect the most necessary information, like name and email. This reduces friction for the visitor. Under the Submit tab in Form Settings, you can customize the confirmation message a visitor will see after submitting the form. Additionally, you can set a redirect to a thank you page. Keep your form as simple as possible to minimize drop-offs. Too many fields can discourage visitors from filling it out. Typically, name and email are enough for lead generation forms. Consider your call to action button. Now, if your form doesn't come with one, just add a button from the Add Elements menu. Then, in the button section, what you want is a color that contrasts with the rest of the page, making the button really pop. Change your button's text to something action-oriented, like Get Instant Access, Download Now, or Claim Your Spot. Of course, you'll need to link this button to your lead capture form or have it scroll to the section that contains the form if it's not part of the form itself. Lastly, optimize your page for mobile viewing and get ready to publish. The Switch to Mobile icon is at the top of your Wix editor. Click it. Wix usually adjusts your layout for mobile, but sometimes you'll need to adjust spacing or element sizes to make everything readable. When you're satisfied with your design, hit the Publish button, and your lead generation sales letter page is live. Since a significant portion of web traffic comes from mobile devices, make sure your form and CTA button are easy to interact with on smartphones and tablets. Large, touch-friendly buttons and readable text are essential for a seamless mobile experience. By following this guide, you're sure to have a high-quality, engaging Wix sales letter page up in no time. Remember, the goal is to capture the attention of your visitors, focus on your offer, and encourage them to take immediate action. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.